Hi guys! Today we'll learn about not littering around our world. Okay, let's start. I have a bag that says reduce, reuse, recycle. And it says on the bottom, reusable bag. So you can reuse it and reuse it again and again. When we go to the shop and you buy some food, it's a more good idea if you take your own bag. If you have a cloth bag, that's 2 thumbs up. But if you have a plastic bag and you keep using it, good job. Keep doing it. Sometimes when you go to the shop, you see chips, don't you? And you say, ooh, I want to buy this. And your mom's like, yeah, let's buy this packet. Don't buy those small chippy packets. Buy those big chippy packets, because what you can do, you can take a bunch of those to school. Just get a bunch of hand of them, put it in your lunchbox, just take it to school. If you get those little chippy packets, they're in packets, that's not good for our environment. So that's why we must be more careful when we do all this stuff. Okay? Buy big chippy packets, not small chippy packets. Small chippy packets is called plastic, and plastic is not good for our environment. Because sometimes when we just throw the plastic away, the trucks take it and dump it. In 20 or 30 years, it goes down. And then what happens? Do you know what? The trucks and all the builders make a new house or a school or a shop. That's not going to be good, is it? We need to keep our earth clean. All the good places will be gone if we keep doing the same thing. So we must stop it. Sometimes the trucks take it to the sea, dump it all up. And sometimes turtles or tortoise think that's food for us. And when they eat it, they gush. You know the gush? It stucks there, and when it stucks, they die. And then that is not good for our oceans or sea. So we need to ask them stop putting rubbish in our oceans. Because it's good if they stop putting rubbish in our oceans. Because all our sea animals will die. So we need to remember our fishes, our turtles, our whales are not us. They don't, if we have a plastic bag like this one, and we think it's food, don't we? Sorry, not that. And we don't think this is food, we think this is a plastic bag. Remember, animals don't have brains. Only we do. Humans have brains, not animals. So just think they're polluted. And when they eat it, it stuck in their guts and they die. So we must be more careful. If you see someone throwing litter around, say pick it up, throw it in the right bin. You can even, to save our environment, throw each thing in the right bin. Bottle goes in the bottle bin. Or if you don't know, ask a parent or someone like this. Just don't throw it anywhere you want, because that will not help our environment. Okay? So we must be more careful and more nice to our environment. So it stays like this. We want more trees. We want more water. We want our sea animals to be alive. Yeah? So we must care for the environment and never, ever, ever litter around our earth. If you litter, just stop that, put it in the bin. Okay? That's a good idea. Now, Earth is the only planet we have. Otherwise, we have no planet. People smoke. You know that pipe thingy? They just throw it on the ground and just go away. That's called littering too. They must pick it up, put it in the bin, and then go. And vape is not good for their body and health. And it even wastes their money. Because when you do that, it goes up and up in the air, and that makes Air pollution. Air pollution is still not good for our environment. It makes lots of things, which I will tell you in our next class. Okay, now that the people smoke us, that's a waste of money. And if people keep doing this Earth will be gone. And there's no other planet we can live, because in other planets we can't breathe. There are no trees in other planets. So we must care for our planet Earth and keep it all clean. Because sometimes what happens, our seas get all rubbish. You can even Google and see how much trash is there in our Earth. There'll be heaps and heaps and heaps. Because one person makes this much trash. So how about 4 persons like this much trash? And how about 1,000 persons? This whole room will be full for 10 people. So we must be super careful whenever we do shopping. I'll tell you how we need to be super careful when we're doing shopping. When we're doing shopping, we need to be super careful. We need to see, do we need this? Maybe this, maybe no. Buy only the things you have in your list. Don't buy something else. Okay? See you in next class. Bye-bye.